Hi, it's For the Joy of Vegas, and I'm in Vegas, and we are at Harrahs. So I'm going to give you a room tour now. Room 9050. And here we go. Here we go. Here is the bathroom, shower. I just hope we don't get wet because there's no door. I mean, there's a door there, but no door there. This is very spacious. Very spacious. Hello. And here we come out, and it's a sliding door, slide, and there it is. And here we are. Hello, Paul.
Hello.
Say hello to the home viewing audience.
Hello, home viewing audience.
And they have a closet for Paul, and over here they have a closet for me. So that is a plus. And here is the window view. Hold on, I'll set the light. Not a bad view. Not a bad view at all. All right. Well, that concludes our room tour. I'll be here for a couple more days, so we'll have a lot more in store for you. Stay tuned and stay joyful. Bye, everyone.